Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think that the price at one point was all the way down there, and then by the closing bell, the price was able to get back up to that point, any rational person would say, yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. The price did make a nice bounce on the day. But that segues into the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 43 cents. Why is 43 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 43. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back in that range where it was when it was flirting with these lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, however, in this instance, does something like that and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows right here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, once more, I'm defining and quantifying that statement, make progress, as 43 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. I get it, that line's quite a bit of ways up there, but just keep in mind that that level is going to move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. But top priority, as far as I'm concerned right now, is not necessarily breaking resistance levels. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and continue to chip away at higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being built over time, everything else starts to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.